Hi everyone. This video is going to show you how to embed a Google slide presentation into your Canvas course. I sent some verbal instruction, or excuse me, some written instructions to you through email, and I'm going to show you how to do this as well. So first thing you need to do is open up the Google slide presentation that you want to use in your Canvas course. From there, you're going to go to File. When you click on File, you're going to scroll down to Publish to the Web. When you click on that, you'll see an option for Embed, and we want to use that. And then you can change the Auto Advanced Slides. It's on 3 seconds for default, but you can change how fast it moves to the next slide. So I'm just going to choose 10 seconds, okay? You can also select Start the slideshow as soon as the player loads, or restart the slideshow after the last slide, okay? So those two are options that you can choose. Now, here is the code that we want to use, okay? Now, I've already published this one, so I'm going to stop publishing, and this is actually the screen that you'll see, okay? I chose every 10 seconds. I click Restart the slideshow after the last slide, and then I'm going to click Publish. Okay, it'll ask you, are you sure? Click OK, and then it will give you that code. So I'm going to copy that embed code. Now that I've done that for my Google slide, I'm going to go back to Canvas, and under Modules, you'll just pick the day that you want, or the page that you want to upload this presentation to. I'm just picking a random page for this example. Once you pick the page, you're going to click on Edit, and then decide where you want your presentation to live on the Canvas page. So I'm going to put it right here, okay? Since I want it to be placed here, you're going to go to Insert, Edit Media, click on the Embed option, and then paste that code right there. And then you'll click OK, and you'll notice that your presentation shows up. All right. The great thing about this is that if I want to update that presentation, if I want to add or delete slides from it, I can do so in my Google slide here, and it'll automatically update here in Canvas. Okay. So notice that I have 2 slides. I can click on it here and it'll go to the next slide, or I can use the advance or previous buttons here to go back and forth. You can also click play and it'll automatically play using those parameters of the time that you set for it to move on to the next slide. Okay, let's say that I wanted to add a couple more slides to this one. We'll go to Insert, New Slide, move that one up. Here we'll say checking to see if this updates, and then I'll do another slide. What's going on? What's going on? Okay, now let's go back to Canvas and see if it updated. We may have to go out and come back to this. So I'm going to go to Modules, scroll down to the page that I put that presentation on, and you'll notice that those other 2 slides are there as well. It has been updated. Okay, it's that simple. If you have questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks so much.